The Baldy Hot Springs are a popular spa known for its ample pools and numerous aquatic bars. Enjoy our waterfalls and all the other exciting activities that Baldy Springs offers. The Titoku Hot Water Springs are a paradise of pools and waterfalls and the ideal site to end the Arenal Volcano hike or to simply enjoy and relax. Enjoy the night while relaxing in the hot water springs. Let the waterfalls massage your body. Fully take pleasure in it and share stunning moments at Titoku. Ecothermales is an intimate hot spring spa of natural beauty and has several pools and waterfalls with varying temperatures. These hot spring spas are closed to the public. You can only get in with prior reservations, and there are never more than 100 people in the facilities at one time, making this place the perfect ending for any of our adventures.